Good afternoon. Time to wrap it up for this March the 4th, 2015 in our E-mini trade recommendations made this morning at 6:45 a.m. Central Time. Came into this market today as a seller. We thought the market was going to at least go for stops below the 95 area and maybe lower. So we started off wanting to buy the 95, 90 area, and after that first break we had buys at the 85 to 87. This was our buy area right down here. So the first trade that's set up is a mean green trade. It's part of our stock and trade right here. The market sold. The ADP number was a little bit lower than forecast, so you could have been short as high as 2096. If you missed that first spill, when you take out this bar's low, you'd be short in the 2092 area, and the market did trade down to 88. So you had a shot at 4 to as many as 8 points off of that particular trade, and that's a nice way to start the day, depending on your entry. The next trade that sets up is a sell right here. We're interested in that. We want to retest this low right here, and the market does retest it and break, and you have a shot at 3 points or more, a little bit more than that, a shot at 3 or 4. Then we get a retest failure trade that sets up after this losing trade off this software generated trade right here. So there's your one loser. This retest failure trade sets up. There's also a software generated trade in here, so depending on where you got on that, you could have made 3 to 6 points exiting up here. Here's another retest failure trade right here that produces 3 to 4 ticks. And this last trade right here on a B, you've got 6, 7 bars to break even. You scratched the trade or you made a half a point. Have these two shorts right here that are software generated that trade down to the mean green line, and you just made 3 points. Then we had this trade off the mean green trade where you just mean green line where you made 1 point, period. Not much of a trade. Off of this S, it comes back down, and if you traded it perfectly, you could have made 2 points, but you probably scratched that trade. And this B trade right here moves all the way up where you're in it for a point. And that was it. The markets died. We didn't have a lot of range to work with. It was really kind of tough trading. So at the end of the day, you could have traded 14 times. You'd have definitely had one loser, and you had 3 trades that either scratched or made a half a point on. So trading, just getting the minimum amounts out of all these trading opportunities, you had 17 points, which is a pretty good day of trading if you think about it. If you'd like to know more about us and how we do it, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll find information on our software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room, where we trade crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year, the 10-year, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, I wish you good trading.